that is the first line of Northern Lights by Kathryn Tanaka. I just played a short phrase so you understand the attraction of this piece. It's a beautiful soundscape that she's created. It's also an excellent introduction to 5/8 rhythm. It's a current selection in the ABRSM grade 3 piano syllabus. And as you'll notice, it starts off with a pattern of 5 notes with pedals sustaining throughout. And it starts on middle C, but not our typical pattern of 5 notes that we learn. And also, strangely enough, given that we have 5 fingers, why don't we play pieces that have a continuous 5-pulse rhythm? Usually we play something like this. Stop. Stop. What this piece does is it allows you to experience your 5 fingers, but without stopping in between patterns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What's challenging about that and this piece is you have an irregular number of beats, which means you can feel the strong inner beat in a variety of places. And that's exactly how I would practice the pattern before you tackle what the left hand has to do. So I tried to make it as smooth as possible just so you heard a continuous 5 pulse, but I can also practice it like this. So I'm emphasizing the middle note. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Another subdivision, which actually features in this piece mostly, is emphasizing the 4th note, which is our F sharp. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I've just switched to the 2nd note of the pattern for emphasis. You can also practice going back and forth between those. It will really help you not only feel the 5 in a row, but help you orient yourself to when there are moments for the left hand to play on different beats. So I'm just sort of making up my own pattern, deciding any given pattern which note to emphasize. The first one I introduced, emphasizing the middle note of the pattern, actually doesn't ever happen in this piece. It's either the 4th note, as I demonstrated with the F sharp, and the 2nd note of the pattern. So then, after you've done that, and you're familiar with that, it still does not mean it's going to be easy to overlay this left hand. Makes it feel like it's free floating because the emphasis of the left hand is always in a different place, which gives the piece its wonderful sound. You will still probably have to practice. Where is that note really? Oh, it's one of those F sharp emphases. That'll slow you down a little bit and you'll lose the flow of the 5 notes, but it's definitely a necessary step in putting it together.